I'm going to cook a string beans. So now I add the string beans. Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to cook a string beans, some meat, soy sauce, and the chili, onions, and garlic. So let's start cooking now. Now I need to add the meat. So I don't need to put oil because the meat is, this is belly, so I don't need to put an oil. Let the oil from the meat comes out. So let's check. See? Look at guys. So later, loads of oil comes from the meat. Yeah, I cook only slowly. Now I need to put the, let's put like, set aside na to siya. Put the onions. Oh my god, the onions. That. Now let's add the garlic. Like that. This is not burned, guys. That make it like, it's all done. So let's do it like that together, mix. Then after this one, I need to add water. That mix it properly so that the onions and garlic will absorb the juice of the onions and garlic. And I need to add 1 big cups of water, hot water. This hot water, I add the hot water. So mix it one. So leave this one to make the meat very soft. I will cover this one and leave the cook this one for around 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Depends if the meat is really soft because I love soft meat. Cover this one. That. Leave it for around 15 to 30 minutes. Depends. Now let's check. Let's add the, oh my god. Let's add this one, the pepper and the salt, sea salt. Then mix it. Mix like that. Now let's add the, look at the meat. It's really soft, guys. I will check. Double check. Yeah, it's really soft. Very soft now. Look at. See? So now let's add the, so now I add the string beans. Okay. Then mix this one. Wait, I will make it for the, mix it like that. You can put any vegetables if you want. That. Mix it properly. Now let's check. So it's a little bit soft now, the beans. Look at it's a little bit soft. So let's add the red pepper. You can call it, I call it red pepper, chili, anything you want. So let's mix together. Mix it. That to make it super delicious. Now I add the quick oyster sauce. It's gluten free. Okay, little bit, not much because just mix it to add more, a little bit of spice for the food. Now I add a silver swan soy sauce, special soy sauce. This is one of my favorite soy sauce made from the Philippines soy sauce. So a little bit, not much, because this is salty soy sauce. There's already salt in it. So mix together, mix it like that. Okay. Then later it's ready. Now it's ready to serve. It's my dinner. So look at guys, see? So it's simple cooking by me. Nothing special. just vegetables and meat. You can put any carrots if you want. So now it's ready. So I need to taste this one, guys. Look at. I need to taste it. Just mix it like properly mixed. And then let's taste it. Anyway, I don't cook too much today. Look at how soft the meat is. It's really soft, guys. Delicious. And the meat, let's taste the meat. It's soft, very soft the meat, because I cooked this one for about 30 minutes with medium heat. Masarap siya. Nanunuot yung ano ba yan? Yung ingredients niya sa mga soy sauce. Sobrang sarap, guys. So delicious. Oh my god, so delicious. You can put any meat. It depends of your taste, which meat you prepare. You can put any meat. You can put more veggies if you want. That's up to you. Yeah, but for me, I cook simple. Just only I forget to put carrots. But you can put also carrots if you want. Any veggies that you want. But this one, I didn't put any oil. This oil is coming from the meat. So, yeah. Super delicious. Let's taste again. I will eat this one with the rice. With the rice, guys. Look at the meat. See? I can break this one with a small spoon. Look at, because it's really soft. I don't like really hard meat because my teeth, I need to be soft. So I will cook this one with the rice. I will eat this one with the rice. I will need to cook the plain rice later. The chili is not spicy. This is sweet chili. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. That's it, my video for today. So I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you and have a nice afternoon, morning to all of you, which part you are in the world. So thank you. But this one, I need to put this one in the bowl, in my glass bowl first. Just hold on. Now I put this one in my glass bowl with have the lid here. So let's put in here. Okay. Oh my god, make it sure. So make it sure it's here. That. It's better glass, not like a plastic, because it's a little bit hot. So it's ready. I will leave this one like this, then later I will. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Just keep on watching And have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. So it's ready. So I will put this one here aside. Then later on, I will put this one in the fridge because after work, so that I have food still here. It's not much. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.